Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a notification from your friends on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps on how to turn on friends notifications on Instagram, so you stay connected and up to date with everything happening in your social circle. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions and notifications for the apps installed on your device. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list and find Instagram. Tap on Instagram to open its app-specific settings. Here, you'll see various options related to the app's storage, permissions, and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage how Instagram alerts you about different activities. You might see a general toggle for all notifications, but to get more specific, look for notification categories or something similar. Under notification categories, you will find various types of notifications Instagram can send you. Look for the option labeled Friends on Instagram or something close to that. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. This ensures you receive alerts specifically about your friends' activities, like when they post new content or interact with you. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have Instagram notifications for your friends enabled, so you never miss out on their updates. Remember, keeping these notifications on helps you stay engaged and connected with your social circle in real time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check your notification settings regularly, as app updates can sometimes change where these options are located. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your friends on Instagram.